Bill. I'm Andy.
I'm Nancy.
Welcome back to our channel. Today's video?
A shower.
Yeah, we get a shower. It's a cold shower, but it's a shower. A drain. Our sink drains now.
Yes. Yes, it does. That's handy.
Yeah.
Did we have a dishwasher before?
I don't know if we had a dishwasher before, but we have a dishwasher now too.
That's really nice too.
Yeah, that's the nicest thing. Well, no, shower's the nicest thing. Dishwasher's number 2.
Yeah. Yeah. I suppose.
And we have a couple more screens. Screen Speedy next to me here.
Screens are not my friend.
No. And if you look at it too long,
It's similar, Rob.
you watched you do that too.
What?
The passenger smiled as she watched you hit me.
Okay.
Hey,
Yeah? What?
I don't even know what it's. Oh, if you look at the welding too long, it'll burn your eyeballs. Your eyeballs will heal.
I know.
It'll feel like they're sanding them for like 3 days while they do.
Oh, I don't want that.
And you won't know that till tomorrow. You'll wake up with it. I'm just gonna weld a couple of scraps together to start.
Okay.
Ooh. I forgot to turn the gas on.
12 seconds later.
You can zoom in. That's no gas and that's gas. There, it's tacked together. Double check my measurements and then I'll weld it all the way. Today I'll be making an outdoor shower, something we need. The shower, we don't have a shower in the clubhouse. We have a floor drain and a sink right next to it, so kind of sponge bath, let it get down, but to be able to actually have water running on you, it's going to come in handy. Hot water is going to come in handy next. It's going to be quite refreshing to say the least, but at least I get to wash off at the end of the day. I was able to take from my scrap pile back here and basically have the floor laid out for the shower there. I haven't screwed anything together yet, but everything's cut, ready to go. Think it'll work. The gaps are small enough it doesn't bother my feet, and they're should be wide enough to let all the water just right through to the ground. And it's going to be an on-off type of shower with no hot water. You're not just going to let it run on you, so I think it's going to work pretty well. Keep our feet out of the mud really is what we need to do.
Tomorrow for sure.
I had plans for this platform here to be done yesterday, to have fold up shower walls, have a spot for the shower head, and then Donnie asked for help butchering a pig, and that seemed like more fun than making a shower. So I'm back now on it today, building a shower, and I've decided this base is so heavy, making all the stuff fold and that, it's just going to be too heavy to bring with us. Nancy had a much better idea for a base than this, and that's what we're going to do for version 2.0. But for version 1.0, we just need a shower that works for the next couple of months, and I got to get that thing banged out, so I better get to it. I have this fairly janky looking shower structure built now. It's way sturdier than it looks. Used materials, you get what you get. Now I'm going to make a PVC structure that goes around here, and that's what I'm going to hang the white tarp on for the walls. Starting to take shape back there. I believe I'm gonna have two different shutoffs. I have a shutoff for down below. I think there's a shutoff in the handle, but the one down below I think is gonna be the easiest to use. Let's go see what I got there. We'll have a shower head all mounted up. I just bought this piece of pipe. Here's a shutoff valve, and that'll connect to a garden hose. And then on the outside of the bus out here, in that bay, when you open that up, there'll be a faucet there with the hot, cold, and that's where we'll adjust the hot and cold once I get the hot water heater installed in the bus. So are you going to be in the newest thumbnail?
No, but you could be if you want to be.
In the shower? Not for you?
Not for me. That's your job.
I got a mess of tools back there to clean up still. But I'm clean, I'm showered, and man, does that feel good. Nancy's sewing the window screens. The mosquitoes are out in force.
Welcome to Minnesota.
Pretty similar to window
Oh,
screens.
hey, there's my other seam ripper.
Don't fuck up, you don't need a seam ripper.
Fuck you. I will always need a seam ripper.
Here's the one that's done so far, up on the hatch. The one she's making now is going to go on a side window, and it's going to have some kind of bar on the bottom, a magnet there, Velcro along the sides, and attached to a valance at the top, so it'll roll up and down. And we'll have a second one with, what's that stuff called? Reflectix? Mm-hmm. That rolls up and down behind it that attaches to the window to keep the sun off. Mm-hmm. See if I can get this contraption to where you can see it. That little nub there is for the dishwasher. The bigger one is for the sink, and then this will go down into the bay. And for the meantime, it's going to go into an ice chest because it's the biggest container we have that has a drain. Easiest to drain then into the floor drain in the building there, and it's got wheels. So in the long run, I think I want 300 gallons of fresh, 200 gallons of gray, and 100 gallons of black. I haven't decided on that for sure yet. Man, tanks, there's so many different choices and so many different sizes. I really just have to bite the bullet and buy the ones I want, or make the ones that I want out of fiberglass. I still haven't decided that yet. I'm off topic. What I should be doing is gluing this together here.
Next morning.
Sometimes I do things temporarily because, well, I don't want a new countertop because I'm still using this as a workbench and things like that. Other times I do stuff temporarily because, well, I just don't do it right the first time. I put the plumbing in yesterday and went to go slide the dishwasher in, and here's where I'm at. It's too dark to see. Let's go around this direction. Dishwasher doesn't quite fit in all the way. It's close. I'm just gonna have to move the drain pipe back a little bit, which means cutting out some of the back of the cabinet. I really didn't want to cut out the back of the cabinet. I wanted to just put a hole in the side. I thought it'd be stronger, but whatever. A little bit of the back of the cabinet cut out. It's gonna have to happen. It's gonna happen. I better get back to this because I guess it wasn't permanent after all. I'm back to where I thought I was yesterday, but I have my drain in and it should work good now. I had to move it back the distance that you see right between the wood here and the pipe, but I have it strapped to the sidewall, strapped to the back wall, and strapped to the floor. And then on this side I have strap running on both sides of it, and that's pinched holding this. It's solid, it's not moving anywhere. That's the drain for the dishwasher on the top. The sink drain will be going into here, and I'm going to have the trap. I could put it back here, but that'd be a pain to get to if I ever have a plug. So I believe the trap is going to go right below the floor where you can access it through the bays. Just like almost every house I've ever had where a bathtub is accessed from the basement or something. So the trap will go down there. That'll allow me more room in here. I have to box in the drawer and cut out a little section of the back of the drawer so that this top drawer will still work.
I'm currently out in the screen room, the Easy Up, best purchase we've made in a while, I think, with as warm as it's been. This is my workspace. Right now I'm still making screens. I seem to encounter issue after issue after issue. One of them is just really shitty measuring, apparently. I've got to say, this is one of the better workspaces I've had. There's my stuff. And unlike any of the screens are going to have the same fabric around them, just because I'm trying to use scraps of what I have. And while Andy was a wood hoarder, I'm a bit of a fabric hoarder. So I haven't been since the COVID-19 stuff started. But I like to go to Joann and sort through the remnants, because the remnants are always on sale. And then when the sale stuff is on sale, it's very, very dangerous for me to go there. This is my little visitor every day. Sits in the garden. I don't know what he's talking about, but I sit out here in the screen room and listen to him. Thanks for watching.
Until next time, peace.
Bye.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, she never knows. We just watched it, but she doesn't know. It's kind of like when I play Texas Hold'em. I can't remember what two cards I have.
Running water?
No, that's next week. We don't have running water yet. They don't know about that yet. Thanks for watching our video. Smash that like button. Haven't done that one in a while.
No, you haven't. Thank God. I didn't miss it.
Thanks for watching our video. Until next time, peace.
Is there something on there?